Hey guys, so some interesting news coming in for the Samsung S25 series. We have already seen how the Samsung S25 ULTRA is gonna look like, but this time something more than that has popped out. Yeah, so Samsung S25 ULTRA will be coming with Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 chipset, but things start to get interesting here when this news came from South Korea that base models like Samsung S25 and Samsung S25 Plus will also have Qualcomm 8 Gen 4. Yeah, you heard me right. Samsung is going all out with their next year's flagships. All of the Samsung S25 variants are coming up with Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 processor, which is still way better and power efficient than the Exynos processors. So other flagships like Xiaomi, Google and OnePlus need to worry about this stuff. If Samsung S25 and S25 Plus gets Qualcomm 8 Gen 4, then it's gonna be a tough competition against each of the mid-range variants of these companies. Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 is coming out this October and we already have seen the benchmarks of this processor. You can see these are the scores: 2845 single core and 10628 multi-core scores, which are really impressive as compared to the Qualcomm 8 Gen 3. Talking about the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it is now confirmed that it will be having rounded corners this time. That boxy design like we used to see has reached to an end now. Ice Universe shared these images which shows the whole new look of S25 Ultra. It looks like the combination of Samsung Note and iPhone design. Samsung has also reduced the bezels of S25 Ultra, which significantly increases the screen size in terms of wideness. It will be now 73 mm from inside, while on S24 Ultra it was 72.3 mm. So this is absolutely crazy. It's gonna provide a next level user experience. Ice Universe has also mentioned that S25 Ultra is gonna be thinner and lighter than all other flagships like iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Other than that, S25 Ultra will still have S Pen, just like it has already been coming up with previous couple of the Samsung S20 series smartphones since the termination of Note series. To be honest, this new change of Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 to be placed in S25 and S25 Plus is actually huge, and it's gonna give hard time to other companies. So that's all for the S25 series. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.